I'm from the Oppo Reno 10X Zoom, and today I will show you how you can go to the setup of this phone. And when you boot it up for the first time, you should be presented with the language selection right here. So choose your desired language, go to the next page and select your region. From there we have terms of service. Obviously you need to agree to the first one, and I believe the second one. Nope. So only the first one, the rest are optional. Now if you want to know what you're actually agreeing to, you can tap on the blue text, user agreement, and this will give you the entire user license agreement. So from here let's go to the next page, which is connecting to Wi-Fi. This step is completely optional, and if you don't feel like connecting to Wi-Fi, that's completely fine. You can simply skip it. Now by skipping Wi-Fi and also inserting a SIM card, you won't have Google login page visible throughout the setup process, but we can still change that later on once the setup has been completed by going into the settings. Now in here we also have a nice feature, Wi-Fi Assistant, which automatically selects the best Wi-Fi if you check this, and also when you check this it adds the mobile network as well. So if whatever the Wi-Fi networks around you are garbage, it will also switch to mobile instead if you want that. Though if you have a low data plan on your from your provider, I probably would not recommend using this. Now next page we have Google services. So we have location, scanning, sending, user and diagnostic data. So quickly going into these, location is just GPS tracking. Scanning allows the device to look for signals like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and send user and diagnostic data. Allows Google to gather data on you and send it to themselves. Kinda creepy, so no thanks. And here we have option to set up a screen lock. So we can set up a later, which will just completely skip this, or we can go into the settings, and this will basically give us the 6-digit PIN as a default option, but you can tap right here to change it into PIN, pattern, password, or alphabetical password. Oh, well, just password in this case. I'll be actually sticking with a pattern right here. So let's draw the pattern, repeat it, and this moves on to the next protection, which is a fingerprint. Now I'm gonna skip this, so let's select cancel. There we go. And I'm gonna now have options for recommended auto update overnight and home screen icons. So this is an option just for updating, obviously, and home screen icons allows you to choose the style of icons on your home screen. So choose the ones that you like the most. And select next. Import data. So here you can import data from an older device. So this is done through their proprietary application, which you will need to download on your old phone, and then go to the pairing process, which will be described step by step on here. And once you connect it, you can choose what kind of data you want to move over, and it will then create a hotspot and then do everything automatically. But I'm setting this device as a new one, so I'm gonna stick with later, and this will show me the home screen once I select get started. And there we go. As you can see, that's how you can set up your phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.